Whether you have a diffuser or you're thinking about buying one, you may be wondering how to best use it. Maybe you've heard that diffusing can reduce germs, can ease stress, maybe even help you sleep better, but you're not sure which essential oils to use. You may even be searching the web and finding all kinds of conflicting information. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use 5 readily available essential oils that can help you avoid getting sick, reduce stress, and help you sleep. Let's keep it really simple. Hi, I'm Andrea Bouget, the founder of Aromahead Institute. I love using my diffuser, and I want to show you a couple of great oils that you can use in order to help resolve various issues like germs in the house. That's a big one. For example, in the winter when a lot of people are getting sick or kids are home and they're sharing those colds and flus, this is great to diffuse for germs. We're also going to use oils to diffuse for stress and for sleep. So let me show you. This is my diffuser. I'm just going to take off the top and I'm going to open it up and add water. That's my first step. So I'm just going to pour some water in here. I like to use filtered water if you have it around, purified water, that's nice. And then we're going to put our essential oils in. So this first round is for germs. And I'm using eucalyptus and I'm also using lavender. Now eucalyptus is pretty well known for clearing your head. Wow, that smells so good. Clears your head, clears your sinuses, kills germs in the air. And I also use it sometimes for cleaning because it's just a very good antimicrobial, okay? So it depends how many drops you're going to put in on your environment. If you have a small apartment or a big house, if there's windows open or no windows, windows are closed. So generally, I would put in 3 or 4 drops of eucalyptus, 3 or 4 drops of lavender. But this is up to you. You can try, depends on the size of the room, and see what fits you best, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put in a couple of drops of eucalyptus to the diffuser. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then I'm going to put in a couple drops of lavender. And I know this is going to smell amazing. The whole house is going to smell amazing from this. So now I'm going to put in my drops of lavender. 3, 4. Okay. And then it's simple. I'm just going to put the top on. This one has a little top. And then close the diffuser. And then there's a little button here that turns it on. And very quickly you'll start to see the steam coming out. And this will fill the whole room. And again, if anyone is sick in the house, they will really appreciate this. It will clear their sinuses. It will disinfect in terms of getting rid of germs. It's great. See the water and the essential oil coming out? The steam is great. All right, I'll turn it off for a second now. And then I'll tell you about the other oils you could use as well. So for stress, for example, we're going to use bergamot and orange. So uplifting, so emotionally supportive. I love that. So the bergamot is made from the rind of the bergamot oranges. It smells very, very fresh and just as if you've peeled an orange. And you can put a couple drops, 3 or 4 drops into the diffuser along with the orange itself. I actually have blood orange here, which is a really nice orange and very perky, very citrusy. So 3 or 4 drops of each and you are good in terms of creating an uplifting and very happy kind of smell. When someone walks in the house and you're diffusing bergamot and orange, I guarantee you they're going to say, wow, it smells amazing in here. What are you diffusing? Really good for stress. Now on the other side of things, if you're trying to sleep, then frankincense and lavender are going to become your best friends. So a couple of drops of the beautiful frankincense, which is made from the resin and is just such a unique aroma and so calming. I love it before I go to sleep. And then of course lavender is a classic for sleep. So 3 or 4 drops of frankincense, 3 or 4 drops of lavender. And then you can put the diffuser on in your bedroom, maybe 15 or 20 minutes before you go to sleep. And then when you come in to tuck in, just unplug it or, turn it off, and you'll have a beautiful calming aroma in the bedroom. So I hope you enjoy playing with your diffuser. You can mix oils, you can try different combinations with just settling on what your intention is. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about essential oils, go ahead and subscribe and the red button, and then every 2 weeks when I make a new video, that'll alert you to the new video. All right, take care. Bye for now.